the second part of this video, we are going to discuss the second method of how you can use to get the shapefiles of your area of interest. I remember in the last one we did discuss the first method on how you can get the shapefiles from the Google Earth Engine dataset, and today we are going to use almost the same method or the same dataset but a different method. So here in your Google Earth Engine, go to your search bar, and then I want you to type in GAUL, GAUL 500 meters simplified global administrative. So you can click on the first one, second one, or third one. If you click on the first one, you can read the description. You can see this version of global administrative unit layers dataset is simplified at 500 meters. Okay, then you can read through the description. It says compiles and disseminates the best available information on administrative units for all the countries in the world, providing a contribution to the standardization of the spatial dataset representing administrative units. Okay, so this is the second level. If you can see here, it is ee.feature collection. Then you can see this is the second level. So you can either go with this or go with the other one. There are three options. Okay, so for my case, I will go with this one. So I click on import. Then if I import, you can see we have the variable here as table. Then we got the data set. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to first center the map. So I say map dot center object like this. Then I need to center the region of interest and add the zone. Then the other thing is to add to the map now. So I say map dot add layer. Then I need to add whatever the layer to the map. Okay, you can add this table, so the shapefiles for your dataset for the whole world. So you can add this. If I run, okay, I need to comment this one first because it is not taking any parameters. So I click on run. I'm supposed to see the shapefiles or the boundaries for different regions. Yeah, so I'll zoom into here, and then the next thing I'll go to these features here, where features on where you can click on the map to select a point or draw a polygon. So I choose the geometry like this. Then let's say, for example, I just want to extract a single let's say a single area, for example a province or a county. So I come here and then I can just click on this one. Then it will load here. It will automatically import the geometry as this. So this geometry will become our region. So here I need to filter the region. So I say variable region or region of interest, or maybe you can say area of interest is equal to, you take the table. So we say table dot filter so you filter bounds. Then we need to filter bounds. So you say filter bounds, then you pass in the geometry. So you say geometry as this. Then for that case, you only need to now take the area of interest, and then here you pass in as area of interest. Then you provide the zoom level. For example, you can say 8. Okay, then for now you can comment this, and we add the area of interest to the map. So you say map dot add layer, map dot add layer like this. Then you say area of interest. AOI. Okay, then you can save your file. So I'm saving this as area of interest, like that. Then I click on run. Okay, so you can see I have managed to extract that single area of interest from the whole data set. Yeah, and this is the second part. Or the first one, you can, if you have your local shapefiles, you can upload to Google Earth Engine, then you can use to filter out the area of interest. As they say, this other part, I will provide the link to that video in the description. And then this is the other part where you can just click on a point, then you go ahead and use this method to filter out the area of interest if you have the global dataset from Google Earth Engine, and so on. So you can go ahead and use this area if you want maybe to do analysis on either ADVI or land use land cover. You can still do using this area of interest. Yeah, so you can see it is very, very simple. The first thing, you only need to import the data from Google Earth Engine as a feature collection. Then you need to add it to the map first. After that, you need to select the area. So you just use this single marker, you place there, it picks the geometry as this. Then you go ahead and filter out. So you say take your data set, you filter out bounds using that geometry, then you center the object, then you finally add to the map. Yeah, so these are just few steps, very, very simple, that you can use to clip out the area of interest, then you can do your analysis. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.